Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking to add a little shimmer into your step?
These stunning cowboy style boots are by Richealnana, and I have them here in the calf high sequins style. They are a size 8, which I normally am for boots, so I find that they fit true to size. As you can see, I got these to complete a costume for a party that I'm going to, and they are absolutely perfect. But what I discovered when these arrived is that I am in love with them and am absolutely going to wear them not just for this costume, but so many different occasions because they are really, really comfortable for me to wear, but also absolutely gorgeous. And I think that they are so well made because sometimes when I get things that have sequins on them, the sequins, the rhinestones fall off really easily. I have not had that happen with these boots. They are carefully on there, and check out how much color and light these sequins are picking up. They are gorgeous. There is so much attention to detail on these boots. Look at how beautiful they look in the sunshine. I just think that they are so fun. So they are that classic cowboy, cowgirl style boot. Super comfortable to walk in, so comfortable to wear, but also they have that added something with those gorgeous, gorgeous rhinestones. So if you are looking for something that is going to be that style boot, but then add a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of sparkle into your life, you've got to check these out. I just think that they're so comfortable, so gorgeous, and I cannot wait to keep pairing them with different outfits and wear them everywhere because I am so happy with them.
I love these boots so much. They are so fun and gorgeous and exactly what I was looking for. I think you're going to fall in love with them too, but that's just my point of view.